What do sailors do when their boat's on the hard? They look at other boats, of course. We're dockside in Fort Lauderdale, exploring a 2019 Fountaine Pajot Lucia 40. We've never toured this model before, and it's a favorite among cruisers. Let's start with the key specs. This catamaran measures just over 38 feet overall and has a 22-foot beam, offering excellent stability and space. Its mast stands just under 64 feet, which is ideal for clearing most ICW bridges. 4 layout options are available, but we're touring the Quad-Tour version. 4 double berths and 2 full heads. The heads are surprisingly spacious for a 40-foot boat, providing good comfort and privacy for owners and guests. This is a fractional sloop catamaran with square-cut sails. Here is some polar performance data from the Fountaine Pajot brochure. Starting at the bow, the Lucia 40 offers a large open space. It features 1 medium-sized trampoline spanning the width and 2 dolphin seats. Perfect spots to relax and watch the waves. There's also a dedicated secondary anchor area just to the starboard side of the Genoa, with 2 storage lockers on each side for all your toys. The primary anchoring system runs down the center, featuring an electric windlass and a spacious, easy-to-access anchor locker that provides ample space for chain, fenders, and rode. This area is ideal for setting up cushions and lounging on the bow. The boom sits low, a feature we appreciate. Now let's move back to the cockpit via the wide, unobstructed side decks, equipped with sleek flush hatches. The helm station is elevated to provide clear visibility over the coach roof and bow, with ample space for 2 people, and features steps that lead to the mainsail. It's located on the starboard side and designed for short-handed sailing, with all the lines led back to 3 winches. This setup provides excellent visibility while still keeping you connected to the cockpit. A few short steps lead you down to the expansive cockpit for a 40-foot catamaran. The solid hardtop bimini provides shade, while the large dining table comfortably seats plenty of guests. The cockpit offers generous space, including a cozy lounging area on the starboard side and an extended lounging zone across the stern with ample storage beneath. Behind the cockpit, broad sugar scoops provide easy water access. She features a distinct Davits system for easy dinghy launching and retrieval, along with a deck shower for rinsing off after swimming. The engines are positioned at the aft of the cockpit, with hatches opening inward. This design makes engine access more comfortable compared to other cats, which often require you to access the hatch from the sugar scoops or from under the berths. The standard engines are 20 horsepower Volvo Pencil models. We always pay close attention to the robustness of the rudder controls. Welcome to this bright, modern interior. The salon is filled with natural light from large vertical panoramic windows. The space and brightness are impressive for a 40-foot catamaran. 2 forward-facing windows can open to let a breeze in and help keep you cool. The galley is perfectly situated to serve the cockpit, equipped with a 3-burner stove, oven, and plenty of storage. It features a large double sink and generous counter space. Provisioning is easy with 2 front-opening refrigerators and a large freezer. And notice a fantastic pass-through window above the sink? Perfect for entertaining. The nav station is tucked into the corner on the port side of the salon, with the electrical panel located right below. There is an L-shaped sofa and a table that offers ample additional storage. If you're enjoying this tour, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more boat tours and see our tiny living adventures. Now back to the tour. The aft cabin is roomy and well lit, featuring an island double berth with full headroom and walk-around access. It includes a locker, an overhead hatch, and a large hull window with a port light for ample ventilation. I like that the berths have minimal headliner. Most walls and ceilings are fiberglass, making cleaning easier and enhancing appearance. A large drawer is located beneath the berth, with abundant shelf space around it and reading lamps on either side. Here is one of the 2 full heads. This is a major advantage of the Lucia 40. They really optimize the space, offering a much larger area than expected for a boat of this size. The forward cabin is smaller, but remains spacious and bright, with plenty of shelves for additional storage, besides the locker and the drawer underneath the berth. The starboard hull is a mirror image of the port side. So what are your thoughts? The Lucia 40 has excellent volume, is easy to sail, and the spacious 4-cabin 2-head awesome setup is a huge plus for us.
The Fountaine Pajot is lighter, okay? So it might be more performance, but we'd rather have a heavier boat for the weather. It's just a personal decision and trade-off. Fountaine Pajot is not built like Lagoon and Leopard to be put into charter and then purchase. But this particular boat was, but maybe it wasn't bounced around a lot because they didn't go past St. Thomas. They didn't go, it stayed right in that bay. It didn't go to another island, so it didn't get the pounding. People in charter, on a week-long charter, they take out the sails 2 hours, which is the first 2 hours that they're there, and the rest of the time they just motor. But it did have a lower boom, and the Helm looks nice, and everything looked nice on this boat, but it might be too light and maybe a little too small.
Next video will be touring 2012 Leopard 44. So remember to like this video and subscribe to catch more boat tours and our tiny living adventures.